Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use rollup fields in Airtable in just a few simple steps. Open your Airtable base and navigate to the table where you want the rollup to appear. Once your table view opens, you'll see your records displayed. Now click the plus button at the top of your columns to add a new field. The field type selection menu will appear. In the field type list, search for and select rollup. You can either scroll through the options or click the search bar and type rollup to filter the list. Once you click rollup, a configuration window opens. At the top of the configuration window, click the drop-down under Select Rollup Source and choose your linked record field. If you only have one linked field, Airtable might select it automatically. Next, click the drop-down in the field selection section and choose the specific field you want to roll up. This drop-down will list all the fields from that linked table. Airtable automatically populates an aggregation formula in the third section. Common functions include sum for totals, average for means, count for counting records, or array join if you want a single text string. You can click inside the formula field to delete and replace it if you need something different. If you want to filter which records get included in your rollup, click the icon to the left of Only Include Linked Records that meet certain conditions. This lets you set up conditional filtering, pick a field, an operator, and a comparison value. Once everything's configured, click Create Field at the bottom of the configuration window. Airtable immediately calculates your rollup based on the linked records. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Your rollup will dynamically update whenever the linked records change, so you never have to recalculate manually. If you see blank values in some rows, those records don't have any linked records attached. An empty link always equals an empty rollup. You can rename the field to something more descriptive, which Airtable recommends to keep things clear. And if the linked record field itself isn't important to display in this table, you can hide it without affecting your rollup calculations. That's how to use rollup fields in Airtable.